Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy USDT on Huobi HTX. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your HTX account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on HTX? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type htx.com. It's going to take you to the official website for HTX. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen to click on the sign up button and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account and signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on HTX. Now, HTX is a leading crypto exchange platform. It is one of the world's biggest Bitcoin exchanges and altcoin crypto exchanges. You can buy BTC, ETH, HT, and more on HTX. Now, let's hop into today's task, which is how to buy USDT on Huobi HTX. From this homepage, head over to the top of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs representing diverse features. But head over to Buy Crypto, and under here you have the Quick Trade, Fiat Deposit, OTC DEX, and P2P. Now go ahead and click on P2P. Now P2P simply means peer-to-peer trading. That's where you can buy and sell crypto assets in HTX. So here you go. Now, because we want to buy, you're going to see those two tabs, buy and sell. Because you want to buy, ensure that it is set to the buy tab or the buy button. And this page is still loading up. Once it's done loading up, I'm going to show you the things that you need to do to start your buying processes. So once it has been set to buy, because we want to buy USDT, head over to this where you have your assets, USDT. Ensure that it is set to USDT. So if it is not set as USDT as default, you can click on that drop down icon and choose USDT. So in here, you can choose the fiat currency that you want to get the money in. So this is USD. You can click on the drop down menu to change the fiat currency. And then you have this as your payment method. You can click on that. Okay, it says all, and that's for the people that are available for you to buy. It's not necessarily the payment method. So you can click on all of the people, or you can click on the people that are available. Now you can use this filter to search. So you can use this. Okay, don't refresh every 10 seconds. You can use these filters to enhance your buying process. So here you have this payments method option, right? So in this payment method, you can use all payment method, or you can choose any of these payment method options. That you can use Zelle or Airteam or Skrill or even Wise. You can even use banks that are here. So you see all the payment methods that are let's say that are verified or that are acceptable in Huobi. So you can choose any of them. Once you choose any of them, that's just going to be that for that. So head over here to where you have the sellers, the people that you can, or the traders, let's call them traders, crypto traders. So you can select any of these people. So you have the payment, this person pays by Alipay, this person pays by Payoneer. So you see their price, you see their available options, and you have the payment method that you can send your money to. All right, so if you want that, they're going to pay you in. So go ahead and click on any of these. So now for you to buy with any of this, you see that the buy option is not here, because for you to trade with this person, you have to do your ID verification. Click on that to verify, and you have this advanced verification, advanced. So just click on that. Once you click any of the processes and you have done your verification, then you can now trade with this person and buy this amount of USD from this person. So this is pretty much how you can buy USDT on Huobi HTX. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.